The benefits of a free marketing strategy are numerous and can have a significant impact on businesses and individuals. Here are some key advantages. 1. Cost effectiveness. Free marketing strategies, such as content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing, can be highly cost effective, making them accessible to businesses with limited budgets. 2. Audience engagement. Providing free content, such as articles, videos, or resources, can attract and engage a wider audience, leading to increased brand visibility and customer loyalty. 3. Lead generation. Free marketing strategies can be effective in generating leads and nurturing potential customers, ultimately leading to increased sales and conversions. 4. Brand building. By offering valuable content or resources for free, businesses can build a positive brand image, establish authority in their industry, and foster trust with their audience. 5. Relationship building. Free marketing strategies provide opportunities to build and strengthen relationships with customers, leading to long-term customer retention and advocacy. Free marketing strategies offer cost effectiveness, audience engagement, lead generation, brand building, and relationship building, making them valuable tools for businesses and individuals looking to promote their products or services. To get a complete free marketing strategy and unlimited free traffic, click on the link in description. Enjoying the content? Consider subscribing to join our community and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us continue creating great content for you.